Roadwork update in Placencia. The Ministry of Infrastructure Development and Housing, MIDH, is currently upgrading approximately 400 meters of road from Atlantic Bank to the municipal pier in Placencia. With the community growing and traffic increasing around the pier, this upgrade is essential. This stretch has seen its fair share of wear and tear, and now it's getting the attention it deserves with proper cementing to ensure durability. Here is a drone's eye view of the progress.